Èdè Yoruba, Yoruba language, lesson 2. How to count the days of the week and time measurement in Yoruba language. Bí a ṣe ń ka ọjọ́, wákàtí àti àsìkò ní èdè Yorùbá. To reconcile with the Gregorian calendar, Yoruba people also measure time in 7 days a week and 4 weeks a month. The 4-day calendar was dedicated to the Orishas, and the 7-day calendar is for doing business. The 7 days are Ọjọ́ Àìkú, Sunday, Ọjọ́ Ajé, Monday, Ọjọ́ Ìṣẹ́gun, Tuesday, Ọjọ́ Ríru, Wednesday, Ọjọ́bọ̀, Thursday, Ọjọ́ Ẹtì, Friday, Ọjọ́ Àbámẹ́ta, Saturday. Time is measured in ìṣẹ́jú, minute, wákàtí, hour, ọjọ́, day, ọ̀sẹ̀, week, oṣù, month, and ọdún, year. How to count months in Yoruba language. Bí a ṣe ń ka àwọn oṣù ní èdè Yorùbá. Ṣẹẹrẹ, January. Èrèlé, February. Ẹrẹ́nà, March. Igbe, April. Èbìbí, May. Òkúdù, June. Agẹmọ, July. Ògún, August. Òwèrè, September. Ọ̀wàrà, October. Bélú, November. Ọ̀pẹ, December. Thank you for watching. Join me in class on the next episode and subscribe for more videos of Yoruba Niwa